Hi, I'm Sean Pessarra. I'm the Horticulture Specialist here at Heifer USA at Heifer Ranch in Perryville. I oversee our market garden, and today I'll be showing you one of the tools that we've come up with. This is our root washer. We do about 3/4 of an acre in root crops twice a year. So in total, about 1.5 acres of root crops. That includes carrots, beets, radishes, turnips, rutabagas. That would be between 12 and 20,000 pounds of root crop with just 3 or 4 people. That's a lot to be lifting and washing and reloading. So we want to touch those root crops as little as possible. So this has really helped take a burden off of the process, that we can sort the carrots in the field. They get loaded into this, they get put into bags and then in the cooler and then to a customer. This is a concrete mixer. It's something you can find at Lowe's. That's where I got this one. So it's a plastic body, and all I did was drill about 5 holes in the bottom to allow the water to drain out. And then I took out the metal mixing blades and instead put in these PVC pipes with just 1 screw with a wing nut to hold it in place. And those PVC pipes act as an agitator. It helps flip the roots over. We have had access to a conveyor washer, and we noticed that really wasn't getting them clean enough. So we found that washing roots is really important to get this kind of tumbling action. Not only helps knock out the dirt that might be in the little hard to reach places, but it also helps rub the carrots against each other and knock off those little fine hairs that can be on the carrots. And the reason why we did the PVC with the wing nuts is so that we can wash and sanitize all this. That's really important if we're gonna be putting food into something like this and then into a bag for customers. This is actually, it's called a lock line, and it's from computer navigated cutting, so CNC machines that they use to cut out metal and things like that with water, with lasers. And what's nice is I can open up the end to let any water debris that may have built up in there. I can move it out of the way when I'm loading up the root crops. So I can bring the carrots directly in from the field, dump them in, put my water line in, and then it turned the water back on with this little nozzle. And the whole thing tips forward and then dumps the carrots into our bucket. And what we found is, because there's that agitating action of the root washer, you don't need a lot of water. And so I think we're actually saving water doing it this way versus using our big conveyor system or using the hand system of just garden hose, standing in a puddle all afternoon. So this works really well. It drains out the back of the machine and then down to our floor drain and out the building. And it just connects to a piece of PVC. And then this is a garden hose to PVC adapter. So we can connect our garden hose here, adjust our water here. I just used some metal hose clamps to connect it to the arm. And it does require power. It's electric motor driven, and it does require good water pressure. So total investment is maybe around $500, and most of that is just for the mixer itself. The wooden ones, some people are making for $500. The time to construct them is a big component of that, and this you could put together in probably less than an hour. The steel ones that you can buy already manufactured are probably in the thousands, so this is a much more economical system for someone that's growing under 5 acres of vegetables. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel to support our work and see more content like this.